Good morning, it's me, JimmyaGeek. Let's play the Ratchet Clank size matter on the Cosmo Communicator. Also, let me know which game should I test on the upcoming Astro slide. This is one of the reasons why you should get a keyboard phone, because you don't have to attach a crappy gamepad. You can just open the phone or you can just open the keyboard and start playing game. Okay, let's get started with the game. First, I'm gonna turn off the music at all. Let's get a new game. Okay, the game is started. The game is running at 30 FPS. Make sure check out the Outing Journal Travel YouTube channel, Market Business Africa channel. Also make sure to check out www.outingjournal.com. If you wanna learn digital marketing, make sure to do the digital marketing nano degree. I have personally done it. Also make sure to do the tech degree if you learn game design and web development. Also check out my courses on Udemy. The links are in the description box below. And let me show you the setting before I say you bye. Here are the settings, as you can see. Subscribe and bye.